Welcome back to PrepForge's Spring Boot series. Today we demystify the magic, auto configuration, and starters. Add a dependency, and the relevant beans appear, pre-wired with sensible defaults, no XML, no handwritten bean methods. The goal is to eliminate the boilerplate that plagued classic Spring, where wiring a data source, transaction manager, and JPL layer meant pages of configuration. Boot infers a reasonable setup from what's on your class path. Think of IKEA furniture with default assembly. The pieces snap together on their own, unless you choose to customize. The mechanism is conditional configuration. At Spring Boot, application enables enable auto configuration, which loads a long list of auto configuration classes registered by your starters. Each class is guarded by a conditional annotations. A conditional unclassifiers when a type is present on the class path. A conditional on missing bean backs off when you've already defined the bean yourself. A conditional on property checks configuration flags. Here's the crucial principle. Auto configuration is opt-out, not opt-in. With the JP as starter and an H2 driver on the class path, who creates the data source and transaction manager for you. But the instant you declare your own data source bean, like this Postgres one, the conditional on missing bean guard means Spring backs off and uses yours. Your explicit beans and properties always win, and you're never in the dark. Run with the debug flag to get a condition evaluation report showing exactly which auto configurations matched, which were skipped, and why, or exclude one explicitly on that Spring Boot application. And starters, they are simply curated dependency bundles. Spring Boot starter web pulls in Spring MVC, Jackson, and an embedded Tomcat, all with compatible versions, so you depend on one artifact instead of assembling a dozen. Close your interview answer with this framing. The so-called magic is just ordinary beans, created under well-defined conditions, and fully overridable. Say that sentence and the interviewer knows you actually understand Boot. That's auto configuration and starters, conditions, opt-out behavior, and the debug report. Next in the series, REST controllers and routing. Like, subscribe, and drill the full question bank at prepforge.net.